This method can help answer key questions in the single fiber testing field about methodologies for dissolving coatings and disentangling challenging fiber samples. The main advantage of this technique is that the water method of coating dissolution has been replaced with a solvent-based method that is less damaging to the fibers.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because of the difficulty in manipulating single fibers.
Wearing the appropriate chemically resistant gloves for preventing contamination of the fiber, use a fresh steel razor blade to cut 160 to 170 millimeters from each extracted yarn bundle, reserving the remainder of the yarn in a labeled container for further analysis as appropriate. Secure the ends to keep the yarn from tangling, and immerse the fibers in 2 to 3 milliliters of solvent in a labeled petri dish. Place the lid on the dish and allow the yarns to soak for 30 minutes. After the third immersion, submerge the samples in 2 to 3 milliliters of methanol for at least 30 minutes. Then, allow the yarn to dry for at least 24 hours. The next day, place a 30 by 30 centimeter or larger transparent plastic board onto a dark background of the same proportions, and use a razor blade to cut 5 to 10 millimeter pieces of low-tack masking tape on a glass surface. Tape both ends of a 20 millimeter gauge rectangular paper template to the plastic board so that the template lies completely flat, and wearing nitrile gloves to prevent contamination, cut approximately 70 to 80 millimeters of the solvent-rinsed yarn.